Did you just wake up, son? Can you put the hallway light on so I can see? Josiah, did you just wake up? He can see you. Look at your hair. Are you alright, son? Did you have a good sleep? Hi, take his dummy out. Did you have a good sleep? Hello. There's a cheeky bum. Hello. Hi. Hey, my honey bunny. My chubby cheeks. So you're squishing one of his eyes. There's a dinosaur. You're just squishing one of his eyes. It's not the middle. You do it. Do it to yourself. And do it to you now. Do it to you now. Babe, this is where you get it from. No. Do it.
Still looks good.
No, it doesn't. Here's my big boy. Look at those thunder thighs. It's too dark.